viewers, we've landed in this beautiful coastal land, Andaman, Port Blair. The cell in which Veer Savarkar was imprisoned.
You were recording, why would I say that?
We're headed to Havelock.
हाँ रख दिया मैंने,
How did you know that?
पूछ लिया था ना मैंने। चलो लेट्स गो। Impressed by what?
The representation of the minority.
Talking about it's about representation of minorities.
Shravan, the holiday is coming closer to an end.
It feels sad, but the way it is coming to an end, we are going to more beautiful places. Like in Havelock, we visited Radhanagar beaches and it was amazing. And now
Anyway, we still have 2 more days.
but now we are going to Neil Island, and when we reach there, we'll visit Lakshmanpur beach.
Not just Lakshmanpur beach, there are a lot of other things or places that we have to go to.
That's Lakshman
And
Island.
then we have to go back to Portland. Portland कह रहा हूँ,
I'm
Portland.
really excited to go to Port Blair.
So we have a margarita pizza here. करो, start करो. आराम से, ध्यान से.
Nice cheese.
What are you doing? मेरे ख्याल से तो एक भी बहुत रहता है. It's quite a big portion. ऑरिगेनो डाल दी. हाँ बता. I want reactions. हाँ खा ले कुछ भी. खा ले. How is it मामू? सही है. Shaba, how is it? Have you tasted it? Pankaj, how is it?
It's nice. It's good.
So let me also taste it and I'll let you know. This is the second one. It's salami. I think it's the same margarita pizza. They put some salamis over it. So let's see how it tastes. Shravan, do you want to take?
I'm taking mine. I'm quite intrigued.
Impressed by the cheese threads. Have to break it like this. Nice. हाँ? Are you done? सही है? You have 250 grams.
Baba. What am I?
So we've reached Neel. Priya has come to pick us up. Now we are going to Lakshmanpur beach directly, and after seeing the sunset, we'll reach our hotel. Look and feel of Neel Island is the same as other islands like Havelock. So it's the same. If anything's different, we'll get to know once we reach the main city or maybe the hotel itself. So now we are heading to Lakshmanpur. Lakshmanpur 1 beach for the sunset. हम कहाँ जाएंगे? बीच पर. Again, the first thing that we noticed as soon as we step down from the car to go to the beach is the smell. Smell of the vegetation is just marvelous. I think it's a lot better than Havelock. Here, the first impression that I've got is it seems that it's more laid back. People are a lot nicer than.
The roads, it's really
okay.
The roads in Neel are really clean, and I think they have like a polish. It feels like that.
They're so good that it looks like as if it's polished.
Yeah. And it's really like there are more trees here.
And like huge trees are there. देखियो. Oh, look at this. The tree is naturally bending. See, especially this tree, it looks exactly the same as the kind which are found in Madagascar.
Yeah.
Hai My God, look at this! How huge this tree is. I'm amazed. The size, the diameter of the trunk is like huge. Very nice and clean. Again, I could smell just sort of smell that I've never smelled, and I think I can feel that is the smell of the vegetation here, and nothing else. Beautiful. I'm already in awe, and I think so you people are.
Exactly.
A common person's point of view would be that all the beaches are same. They have the sand, the coconut trees, the sea. But coming to Andamans, I felt seriously each and every beach is different. Each and every beach has a different characteristics.
I am Vanshaj and I am the expert of beaches around here. So the thing that makes this beach different from all of the others is that as soon as I put my bare feet on the sand, I felt that it was cold and it was very soothing. This is as fine as it can get. This is almost like suji. That's semolina.
Suji nicely done. Nicely browned, yeah?
As well as I removed my chappal from my feet, it felt as if it was coconut powder.
Coconut powder.
Yeah.
Oh, that's बहुत soft होता है. Would you like to add something to it?
When I'm walking on the sand, my feet are sinking in.
Sinking in, okay. Already sinking in.
And sinking with it.
Let me show you the. Water is absolutely नीचे ये लेके चलना है, ये लेके जा रहे हैं।
I'm done.
Let me just see the view. Nice view.
I'm loving this hotel.
Dekha, Mom, would you like to draw the curtains? Thank you. Nice view. Hotel hai, nice. Nice little room.
It's so good. It's giving me Spanish and Italian. So it's like an inn.
Huh?
These wooden walls are giving
Panels.
panels are giving me the inn and what's that called? Small
Spanish Mexican sort of feel.